Hey, what's going on YouTube? Saturday, August 11th. 1 week after we are Mopar, and I got a unboxing. FedEx just delivered an awesome 4-piece delivery. So while we were at We Are Mopar, we bought a raffle ticket from VELGEN Wheels for a set of wheels. And what do you know? We won a free set of wheels from VELGEN Wheels at We Are Mopar. 1 week later on Saturday, the wheels are already here. They just were dropped off by FedEx. So let's take a look at them and see what we got. Two back wheels are 10.5 inches wide. Two wheels for the front are 9 inches wide. And they are 22s. The VELGEN Wheels VM B9 in satin black. So there they are. That's what we got. Pretty dang nice. So thanks so much to VELGEN Wheels for giving this away. They picked 5 different winners, and we were one of the winners. So thanks to them. Thanks a bunch to VELGEN Wheels. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook if you're interested in these wheels. They're pretty dang nice. So now we just got to get some tires to fit on there. 22, so that'll be different. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about these wheels. I think they're pretty dang nice. Let me know what you think. See you guys in the next one.